Hey y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tenisha Andrews. Thank you for liking this video. Make sure before we do anything else that you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. This time, today I am going to show you guys how I put together some car LED lights. That's why I'm in my car. So I'm gonna be putting that together any minute now. So thanks for tuning in, and I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. Stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm about to show you guys the LED lights that I bought for really cheap and inexpensive for your car. They go on the inside of your car at the bottom, like under your not under your seats. You could put them under your seats, but kind of like under the foot area of your car on the inside. And they're gonna change different colors. I can get it programmed to be whatever color I want, and it was still, again, very cheap. And they're just really there should be just like 4 strips. It'll be 2 in the front and 2 in the back, so I should be able to operate it either by an app or a remote. I think I got the one with the app because I trust those more than the remotes that I feel like rarely work and they need special batteries and all that. So what I'm gonna do is open it, do some unboxing again, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna put it together and show you guys how it looks with the lights, and then probably show you at night too, so you can get a good idea of what it's supposed to look like. But this is what I got, the little LED lights for the car. So I just wanted to show you that, and let's get it started. I'm gonna open it up and see everything that comes with it. All right, so apparently this one you can download an app. It says 16 million colors. I don't know about all that. It has colorful lighting. It adjusts different brightnesses. It has a music mode where I can sync my music. With it, and it's safe to use. So it comes with like a user manual, which probably, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm probably not gonna use that. I like to put things together, and then when something doesn't work, I go back to the manual. Don't act like you don't do that. Don't act like you don't do that. You do that too. So it also has, their information. They want you to like, share, or whatever. But basically, and it has like all these different like pull ties if you want to attach it to something. But I think it has sticky strips in the back. It does. Okay, it has some sticky strips in the back that I'm going to be using to adhere to the interior of my car, either under my seats or kind of like under the other part that's near your feet. I don't really know what that's called, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so what I like about this one, not only is it really cheap, but it's just cute. It's something different. I like to do things to personalize and specialize my car. If you see me looking everywhere, I'm trying to figure out which part I should look at. Look directly, look over to the left, look to the right. I'll figure it out. I'm kind of new to YouTube, but it's all good. But what I like about this is it kind of just has this that you can just plug into your cigarette lighter, burner. You know what I'm talking about. Let me show you. This part is the adapter that you're able to hook it up to, and then it has this that how you turn it on and turn it off. So it's not really going to be using any extra electricity, and it's pretty safe to use. You can just turn it on and off during nighttime, but that's pretty much what you have in every one. No matter what kind of car you have that part that you can plug into your little cigarette lighter. The other thing are the 4 strips here. And I had one before. It was really, really cheap. I think it only had 2 strips. But I ended up taking it back. I didn't like it because it came with a remote. And the remote barely worked. So I was like, let me order me up another one that has the app that I can attach to it and see what it does. So here we go. Here are the strips. Here's 2 of them here. Okay, I'll have to untangle everything. But it'll have like the 2 that go to the front part of the car, and you kind of place it like you take this adhesive, this little sticker here, off. See how it peels? And you know, you adhere that to the part that you want, and this kind of stretches the wire out so you can put 2 in the front, and then do the same thing with the 2 in the back. And this has, I told you they gave me little zip ties in case you don't have something to adhere it to, but I'm just gonna use the sticky part because I used that last time, it didn't move. And then it has this portion where you can also adhere it or stick it to something in your car. This little white part here has a little sticky that comes off. And then this is also another way you can power it on and off and change it to a couple different modes. You can change the color, or you can change the brightness of it. So you turn it on, you change the color, and you change the brightness. And then I'm gonna also download an app so that I can do whatever I want to with it as another source. But it's better than having the little remotes. Don't buy the ones with the remotes. I just don't have good luck with those. I don't really think they work. So what I'm gonna do is assemble all this together and then show you guys what it looks like during the day, and then hopefully again at night, so you can really see the LED lights popping. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that together and get back to you. Okay, so for the next clip, you're about to see me start sticking on the strips. I've divided them and untangled everything at first to figure out which way I wanted it to go for the LED lights. And I have 4 strips that I'm about to adhese or stick to the part of the car, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. So this part will probably be fast forwarded just so you can see me put it together really quick and come back. Here we go. Tenisha, I'm what you like. Don't fight it. Okay, so now I have all the strips and everything attached. You can see we kind of have, I think it's upside down, I don't know, but here we go. You can see which LEDs I got, the LED lights, and I hooked everything up. I'll have to go back and figure out how I want to hide whatever cords I want to hide and how to position it. I might use those little zip ties they gave me or figure something else out, but I wanted y'all to see. And then I'm going to probably hide everything, all the cords, or maybe just push them all off to the side and then show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have 2 of them in my back seat, and I have it attached to the back part of the seat there, and you can see this is red right now, but I can change it to any color. In the back, it's gonna look really cute at nighttime, but I have those 2, and I have very little wire exposed, and I'm gonna probably either tape them or tuck them under the seat, this part here, and secure it really good. But I really don't have too many backseat riders, but you know, I do have that for my new little Acura. And then this is the one for my driver's seat, and you can see there's very little wire. It's underneath, and the additional wire I kind of have over and like tucked under the seat, and I'll go back and tape that as well. And then the one over here for the passenger side of the car. So it's not really dark yet. You can see it's still light outside, but it's gonna look really, really dope at night. And oh, while we're here, you can go ahead and look at, if you haven't seen, all my little blingy diamonds that I put on the car. I have here, I kind of have black diamonds at the top. I have it around my start engine, push start button, a little extra here, around my just right here around my steering wheel of my ACK. A little bit down here, a little bit over there. So, you know, I like to bleam it out, and I can't wait till I have the little LED lights. It's gonna be cute. I also have a holder right there, a carport car holder for me to have my phone out of the way. I have a couple more diamonds over here on this side if you didn't see that. And yeah, my ILX Acura, my new little baby. And then this is the power part. It's black, it blends in perfectly with my black interior leather. And I can turn the lights all the way off, which I just did. I can turn them on. And again, I'm gonna download an app so that I can change it all different kind of colors, but this kind of dims and changes the brightness, it changes the color. They're on strobe right now. It's going into like a blue. It can also be synced with my music if I want it to, and it's just changing different colors right now. But again, it's daytime. So, and I can make it just solid, like just extra white light, red. I don't know if that's red or yellow or green, but okay, there you go. There's more green, and there's definitely blue, and you can see both of them are doing it, and the ones in the back as well. You can see the color kind of changing, so it's gonna be dope. It is gonna be so cute. So dope. I might sync it to my music, but I'm gonna leave it on red and then show you guys at nighttime what it actually looks like. So there y'all go. My little LED lights are gonna be so cute at nighttime. And if you didn't really see what my car is, can't really get in the front of it too good right here, but it is my Acura ILX A. I like to say A is accurate for Miss Andrews, which is me, Tenisha Andrews. I'm gonna close all my doors. I'm just giving you a view of the car as I close my doors and back up a little bit. You can see her, and I'm going to show you at nighttime what the LED lights actually look like. And I'm going to download the app so I can see if I want to sync it with my music. I don't know if I want to do all that. I might just keep it solid, but I like the option to be able to play with it. Okay, and here's the front view of my baby, my beautiful pearly white Acura named Diamond. Okay y'all, so it is nighttime and I have it on the red so you can see what it looks like. Back away a little bit, come up to the front, and it doesn't show as clear as it does. I'm gonna to show you when I'm in it. Look at it. It's on the red right now. And you can't really tell in the back. The camera doesn't do it justice what it looks like. Here's it strobing a different color, changing it to different modes, different colors. It's so dope. I love it. Oh, that's a nice little purple. In the back, it's doing the same thing. I know you can't really tell in the back as much. But yeah, I love it. It's dope. I'm playing around right now, changing the colors. So you can see it. But y'all, it is so cute. I think my favorite is the purple and the red. Yes. So again, I told you I can sync it to my phone and my music with an app, and I might just do that. But I love it, y'all, and I just wanted to show y'all what it looks like at nighttime when I'm riding. So it's dope. I love it. My little car interior LED lights. Warmer view in the back, and I can change it to any color. So it's dope, y'all. Get you some. But thanks for watching my video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and even maybe if you want to try some of these LED lights, they are dope. And again, you can position them however you want. You can put them under the seats. I kind of have them right here in the back where you can really see them in the back for my back riders. And in the front, they're hidden from my front seat and my passenger seat. And the camera doesn't do as much justice as it does in person, because it's definitely a deeper red, but it's dope. Yeah, you can see it better in the back because of where the light is. But I just wanted to show y'all. She is cute and she is complete now. Get you some lights. Let me see if I can put it on the strobe real quick. And then as it changes the colors. Well, there you go. Kind of see a little show here. The strobing. Right now it's on the green. Hey. I can see the base going and it changing. And let's change it to that purple strobe real quick. Oh wait, that's blue or purple. I can't tell. It's dope though. Very cute, very cute. And let's try one more color that you can kind of see a little bit better. But all right, y'all, get you some. They're cute.